Hey YouTube family, welcome to another video. How are you guys doing? You know, come on in, have a seat, relax, and thank you so much for clicking on this video, for making the conscious decision to watch another video from me. Thank you, I appreciate it. So in this video, we're going to talk about oral hygiene, how to make your smile just pop, how to make your teeth just whiter and healthier at the same time. And also, more importantly, in a natural, safe, effective way that won't give you like fake white, like, you know, really white Photoshop white teeth, but really healthy, natural looking, brighter, whiter teeth. Let's talk about it. So a few months ago, around the end of November, I was contacted by this company, Gold Mountain Beauty, and they reached out to me to send me one of their tooth whitening powders for me to try and tell them what I think about it. So I said, okay, sure, you know, why not? So here is the product, which they sent me back in November. It is the Gold Mountain Beauty Tuxedo All Natural and Organic Teeth Whitener and Detoxifier. It claims to whiten teeth, cleanse and detoxifies, reduces sensitivity, and it is gentle on your enamel. So when they sent me this back in November, I used it for a while, and at first I didn't see much results. And I'm like, okay, like, what are you supposed to be doing? You know, my teeth look the same. But then what I realized was, for me, since my teeth were on the far end of yellow, I did have pretty healthy teeth before. The results were drastic for me right then and there. So I continued to use it, but I realized what my mistake was when I initially used it, I only used it in the morning time. I didn't use it twice a day. So then I said, you know what? Boop, let's start using it twice a day. So I started using it in the morning and in the afternoon, and that's when I started seeing results. So it is a powder, just like that. And of course, the main ingredient is activated charcoal. The activated charcoal is from coconut shells, so it is vegan friendly. It also has all natural calcium bentonite clay, organic mint, and organic orange peel, which those are the ingredients. That's it. To use it, you just dip your toothbrush into the powder and just brush your teeth gently for at least 2 minutes. Just brush, get the back, get the front, get the top. Do a little brushing dance while you're doing it. And yes, your mouth will turn black. You will look a little bit scary, and be very careful with it, you guys. If you have like a white bathroom like me, or really light pastel colors, keep your mouth closed when you're brushing, not open, because you get little splatter dots on your wall. Not much, but it can happen, but it easily wipes away. So if that happens, just wipe it down. And I brush in the morning, and then after I brush, you can either just brush with this and leave it alone and that's it, or you can follow up with your own toothpaste afterwards. I chose to follow up with my own toothpaste afterwards because I like the minty taste of my toothbrush. I like the minty taste of my toothpaste. So even though this has organic mint, you really don't taste it at all. So I do follow up with my own toothpaste afterwards, and then I go about my day. And then in the nighttime now, I do the same thing, brush, dance, spit it out, wash my mouth, and then I follow up with my own minty toothpaste afterwards. So that's how I use. It was after I started using it twice a day, that is when I started seeing results personally. Now for me, and if you're watching this to get super bright, like cloudy white, like, I don't know, like fake white teeth, this is not for you. It really isn't, to be honest. It's going to give you a naturally stain lifted teeth. You're not gonna get boom white teeth like you just, I don't know, painted your teeth with paint or something. It is going to give you a natural white smile, and that is what I wanted. I did not want a bright, booming, white, out of this world, impossible, unnatural looking smile. You know those looking smiles, like somebody show you your teeth and you're like, you're looking at their mouth and you look at their teeth and you're like, is that your teeth or is that chiclets gum? Or they show you a picture and you're like, is that your teeth or is that Facetune Photoshop? So you won't get that, but you'll get a nice natural smile that just complements your face already. It does come in 3 different flavors. It comes in normal, mint, and lemon. So you have the choice to see which one better suits you. It's made in the US, so you are supporting a US based company. The activated charcoal is it is the main ingredient, is the important component, because activated charcoal is very, very, very good for your teeth. Not only does it scrub and whiten your teeth, it also helps to detoxify your entire mouth and your gums. It helps to eliminate bacteria, and you know bacteria causes, bad breath. So if you want to get rid of that bad breath, there are other factors that contributes to bad breath as well, not only your brushing routine, but this can definitely help by getting rid of the bacteria in your mouth. It does help with sensitivity, so if you have sensitive teeth, this is perfect for you. It will help your teeth become stronger. And it is safe to use in your enamel, because some whitening paste or some teeth whitening kits that are out there can thin your enamel and damage your enamel. So this is safe for your enamel. So like I said, if you're interested in this product and if you want naturally white teeth, not the Instagram bright white teeth, then I would recommend this product for you. But if you want that Instagram bright white fake chiclet looking teeth, then go somewhere else. Let me give you guys some tips though, because it took a little bit of a learning curve for me to get used to using it without causing that much of a mess. So let me share some tips with you guys. Like I said, the first thing is, if you're brushing your teeth, try to keep your mouth closed while you're brushing. Therefore, the little dots or the little splatter don't get over your wall or your mirror. Next thing is, on your clothes, like I said, keep your mouth closed because it can get on your clothing as well. And when you take out the powder, it can possibly get on your clothing, but it doesn't stain. It does wash out easily. So if you're going somewhere, I suggest you brush your teeth first, then get dressed, just to eliminate the potential risk of getting it on your clothes. I mean, it washes out, but why do you want to do that when you're going out? So brush first and then get dressed. Next thing is, if you really want to try to eliminate all the mess altogether, what you can do is brush your teeth with it in the shower as opposed to over the sink. Because you're already in the shower is running, it's going to wash away everything right away. So you don't have to worry about cleaning up the sink or the sink afterwards. And that's it. Those are my tips. So I do enjoy the product. I loved it. It helped me. I mean, my smile is just healthier. My teeth is healthier. My smile is whiter. And I really do recommend it. But like I said, if you're looking for Instagram white, this might not be for you. No, just know that. No. But if you want naturally white, believable white teeth, then check it out. That's all for now, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys got some beneficial information from this video. And I thank you so much for really taking the time to watch my video and for commenting and for sharing your perspective on the videos that I put out. Smile bright and smile often, because smiling is contagious. Anyway, that's all, you guys. I'm out. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Boom, 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 yeah, boom, 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 don't go, don't, boom, boom, boom. Right, time, 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 time,